You want to avoid your cat's transport to be a nightmare? Here is some advice to ensure everything goes smoothly. You need to transport your cat and you want it to go as smoothly as possible. What are some tips to guarantee his well-being during transport? Soft or hard carrier? In brief, while a bag is lighter, a hard cart carrier is more resistant. The most important factor to consider is your cat's temperament. Fearless and self-assured cats will travel well regardless of the object in which they are being transported. Warning: airlines require IATA-approved bags, so it is best to inform yourself prior to purchasing a bag. Fearful cats will need to feel hidden. Anxious cats will need to be able to breathe and have their carrier easily open and clean. Aggressive cats should be handled carefully without excessive restraint and interaction. A training is necessary. Start from the carrier without the roof, then with the carrier open, incentivize with rewards, then place the roof with the carrier door open, finally give a reward and close the door. Should I feed him? It depends on the duration of the trip. Some cats refuse to eat during transport. On the other hand, providing water is essential in hot conditions. A cat who meows during transport is probably stressed. A panting cat may be hot but may also be severely stressed. Defecation and urination are also signs of stress that should not be punished. It is possible to cover the carrier with a cloth. For some individuals, not seeing the environment may be more comfortable, and if your cat is very stressed, certain treatments have been proven to work. Ask your veterinarian for advice.